Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest viral news that's been buzzing around the internet. Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has yet again made headlines with his latest move on Twitter. Musk has replaced the social media platform's logo with a hilarious meme dog, leaving Twitter users in shock and awe. Now, if you're not familiar with the meme dog, it's a popular meme that features a Shiba Inu dog with a curious expression. The meme has been used in countless viral memes and has become a favorite of the internet. So, what led Elon Musk to replace Twitter's logo with a meme dog? Well, as you may know, Musk has been known for his love of memes and often shares them on his social media accounts. This move is just another one of his playful pranks and has gained attention from millions of people across the world. Twitter users have been sharing their reactions to this surprising move, with many finding it hilarious and others confused. But one thing is for sure: Elon Musk knows how to keep things interesting on social media. It's not the first time Elon Musk has caused a stir on social media. He's known for his playful and often controversial tweets, which have led to a massive following of devoted fans. What's interesting is that this move has also sparked a conversation around the power of branding and logos in our society. For decades, companies have invested millions of dollars in creating recognizable logos that represent their brand. But in a world where memes and viral content reign supreme, maybe we'll see more playful and unconventional branding moves like this one. So, what do you think about Elon Musk's latest move on Twitter? Do you think it's just a harmless prank or a potential game changer for branding? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more viral news and updates.